Good morning, my name is Oki Ekwubori and I'm a junior at Elstic High School. I'm here to talk to you about Proposition B, which is other athletic facilities and upgrades. I also want to let you know that early voting starts October 18th to 29th and election day is November 2nd. The plan is to replace the natural grass at Alief auxiliary fields with synthetic turf, and this will decrease maintenance and time and cost to take care of the field during the off-season and during season time as well. Because of the wear and tear of the field, it's better for us athletes to practice on turf so we can play on turf to be at our best capabilities, and so as to reduce the paintings, the disinfecting the ants, all the ant hills are on the grass, and, prevent injuries as well, because the ground is it's not flat, it's uneven, so it's better to have turf so as to be able to move faster and better as well. And this will also help our youth football programs, Pee-wee, and all that, so they can also compete on the field, so not to cause injuries at such a young age. And also, because of the wear and tear of the ground, it also reduces our costs because of the rain, and it gets so muddy and soggy, we can't practice at times. And the board also proposes to fix the scoreboard as well. Because of how small it is compared to the size of the field, we can't really see it when we play games, our JV and our freshman teams. So we propose to make it bigger and more visible so we can also see the time limit at games sometimes so we can compete properly. Thank you.